is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, final hour of the trading week, and we got a long weekend coming up. Markets closed from Martin Luther King Day on Monday, so we got a 3-day weekend coming up, and we got 60 minutes left to go in trading. Markets, little volatility in both directions today. Right now, S&P's up by 4 points, trading at 69.85. NASDAQ 100. You see the action to the downside earlier today. We got a little bit of Fed in focus. President Trump. Yeah, seems like Hassett is out. Seemed like that was writing on the wall a couple weeks ago. Excuse me. So we have yields reacting, but NASDAQ up by 6 points. Dow in the red, negative by 42 points right now, 49,599. And the Russell makes another record this afternoon at 27.05. That's an all-time record. We're backed off a bit. We're up by 5 points right now, trading at 26.93. Bitcoin holding steady near 95,000. You got crude backing off from the highs of Wednesday. Seems like Iran tensions hopefully easing, at least with where we are in that in terms of bombings. Crude up by 30 pennies today at 59.38, but check it out, even in the last hour or so, going from 59.84 to 59.37. We jumped 2 yields. And yeah, the market was worried about Hassett because they were a little worried that he probably wasn't going to be the right man for the job, and maybe he was going to answer too well to the president. He takes his well, let's jump over to the headline, okay? And where is it? There it is. Trump voices reluctance at nominating Hassett as Fed chair, okay? He wants to keep him as director of the National Economic Council. It was battle of the Kevins at first. There's a couple out there, but you got Kevin Warsh, now the front runner for the job. And nonetheless, you got markets reacting with lower price, higher yield, as you have the 10-year now. Okay, and you talk about some steepening. The 10-year's at 4.23. Okay, 4.23 on the 10-years. You got higher yield. The dollar with some bid on that news. There's the acceleration on that news this morning. The dollar pushes higher to 99.38 right now. Now you got the 2-year at about 3.6% right now, the 2-year. And meanwhile, you got the 10-year at almost 4.25%. S&P's in the green. You jump over to gold. Gold right now down by $28. Silver backing off $3.38. Still silver, strong week nonetheless. 88.96. We're coming back for the Tom O'Brien Show, folks. Be right back.